Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the blazer on and cuff buttons open. This gives mobility and prevents puckering. Push your hand through the sleeve so your wrist is free, then use your other hand to smooth the fabric down from shoulder to cuff. Once done, fold the cuff upward 1 to 1, 5 inches, keeping the fold even. Make sure to align the seam so the roll sits flat. This first roll sets the shape, so take a second to straighten wrinkles and center the fold before continuing. You now form the second roll to lock the first into place. Lift the sleeve slightly and fold another 1 to 1, 5 inches over the initial turn. As you roll, tuck any excess fabric under each fold to maintain smooth, layered lines and avoid bulky spots. If your blazer is slippery, make sure to use discreet sleeve grippers or a small stitch on the inside seam to hold the layers. This prevents slippage during movement. Keep checking the shoulder alignment so the rolled cuff looks intentional rather than. You finish by shaping the visible cuff so layers are even and the roll frames your wrist attractively. Tug lightly to set the fabric and check the silhouette in a mirror. Once done, move your arm through everyday motions, bending the elbow, reaching forward, to confirm the roll stays put without pulling on the shoulder. If the sleeve slips, make sure to add one discreet running stitch inside the roll or use a small non-adhesive gripper. This quick fix secures the style without altering the blazer permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.